Welcome to another episode of Nut Busting Garage, where we're going to finish the install of the frame rail and the inner fender liner in this video. There's going to be a lot of time lapse, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I was just setting up to get ready to weld those pieces into the car, and then realized that I still had to treat them for rust and paint the inside. Even knowing a lot of it's probably going to come off from the welding, I still wanted to protect as much as I can, so I went ahead and threw them in the little toaster oven. This thing hasn't been used for a while, so it's smoking a little bit. It might be smoking because the paint might be burned just a hair. Let me turn this down to minimum setting for now. And I'm trying to speed the process up a little bit, drying them out. So, yeah, we'll see what happens there. Give this a shot, see if I can speed the process up. I'm going to go ahead and wire wheel some of the other rust and stuff that I need to take care of and clean up, and probably treat it with rust treatment too. It's like a rust treatment paint. I don't have any like rust neutralizer, so I'm just using this rust convertible paint. It converts rust to protective paintable surface. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. It was something that I could get right away because I didn't really think about it. So that's what I'm rolling with at the moment. So yeah. So I got it all tacked in here. I started, my plug welds was a little hot in some spots, but I want to make sure I get good penetration, pushing it. But it's tacked together in a lot. I haven't done anything here. I got it tacked down there. Can't really see it, but. And then got this plug welds done there. So I'm using this strap here, pull it up against this because this is still, I think, just a little bit. I was using my square here, and you can see it's good, it's there. So, and then the same thing this way, nice and straight, just very, very minuscule, right? So it should be straight. Let's keep going.